In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send automated welcome emails in Mailchimp. To get started, the first thing you need to do is log in to your Mailchimp account. Once you are signed in, you will be taken to your main dashboard, where you can access the tools needed to build your automation. Make sure you are in the correct account before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one audience or brand. Next, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and select the Automations tab. This is where Mailchimp keeps its automated marketing tools, including customer journeys and pre-built email flows. After that, choose Flow Templates. This section gives you access to ready-made automation options, which can save time and make setup much easier, especially if you are creating a welcome email for the first time. Once you are in the template library, scroll down until you find the option called Welcome New Contacts Journey. Go ahead and select it. This template is designed specifically for sending an automatic message to people when they join your audience, which makes it a great choice for introductions, onboarding, or setting expectations for future emails. After selecting the template, click Use this flow. Mailchimp will then ask you to choose your target audience list. This step is important because your automation needs to know exactly which contacts should receive the welcome email. Be sure to pick the correct audience so your message reaches the right people. From there, you can configure your trigger and design your welcome email content using the email builder. The trigger controls when the automation starts. So this is where you define how and when new contacts enter the journey. Then, inside the email builder, create a welcome message that feels clear, friendly, and aligned with your brand. It's a good idea to include a short introduction, a helpful next step, and any key information new subscribers should know right away. Before you launch anything, take a moment to review all of your settings carefully. Check that the audience is correct, the trigger is set properly, and the email content looks the way you want. Previewing your message is also a smart idea so you can catch formatting issues or unclear wording before it goes live. When everything looks good, click Turn On to activate the automation. Keep in mind that this feature may require an upgrade, so if Mailchimp prompts you, you may need to move to a plan that supports this type of automated journey. And that's it. Thanks for watching.